What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a very interesting video for you guys today. Uber has just bought 15,000 Teslas. Let us see what all that is about. Anyways, before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the best way to simply make more money while driving Uber and Lyft. It gets you guaranteed earnings in the market you're in. And on top of that, guys, you can get 15 bucks just for signing up using the link below. If $15 isn't worth your time, I don't know what is. That's a weird little slogan, but $15 for free in like under a few seconds, yeah, it's worth your time. Alrighty. Uber announced that 15,000 Teslas are already in the hands of its drivers in more than 30 US cities through its deal with Hertz to expand access to electric vehicles. Last year, Hertz announced an important effort to electrify its fleet of rental cars, led by a massive purchase of 100,000 Tesla Model 3 vehicles to be delivered over the next year. Shortly after Hertz announced that on top of adding Tesla vehicles to its rental fleet, the company also made a deal with Uber to offer its drivers access to the Tesla vehicles. 50,000 Tesla vehicles will be offered for rent to Uber drivers, and the company has an option for more if its program is successful. Andrew McDonald, Uber's Senior Vice President of Mobility and Business Operations, announced that already 15,000 Uber drivers have rented Tesla vehicles through the program. To date, more than 15,000 drivers have rented a Tesla through this program, and they're making a real impact. Together, they've completed more than 5 million fully electric trips and driven over 40 million electric miles. The program appears to be a success, with driver satisfaction being high. Uber drivers pay only 334 bucks a week to rent a Tesla Model 3, insurance and maintenance included, and some drivers are reporting over $160 a week in gas savings alone. Manuel Barros, an Uber driver in Boston and one of the first to take advantage of the Tesla rental program, said, "When I had a gas car, I would spend $25 to $30 a day on gas. I'm saving almost $160 a week, if not more, driving an electric vehicle." All right, so you're paying $334 a week. I just want to think about this real quick. I don't know about you guys, but I would say on average, I usually make $800 to $1,000 a week. So if it's a low week and I make $800, $334 of that really cuts into that. I get really good gas mileage, so I don't think I'm paying 30 bucks a day even now. I mean, what is that in a week? 25, 50, 75, 125 bucks a week? 150 to 160? Yeah, no, I don't think I've ever paid that. What was manual driving a SUV? I don't know. That seems a little off to me. I guess maybe that is closer to average than I realize. I don't really think about it too much. Just throw the receipt into TurboTax. On top of the gas savings compensating for the renting cost, Uber gives an extra $1 per trip to drivers of battery electric vehicles for up to $4,000 per year. And it recently launched the Comfort Electric option that pays drivers more when Uber users choose an electric ride. Uber also reports some interesting statistics, like the fact that 95% of drivers renting a Tesla through Hertz are driving electric on the Uber platform for the first time, and 92% of them say they are considering purchasing an electric vehicle since participating in the program. That's just because Teslas are sick. They're a great drive. Like, none of these guys give a crap about the environment, I'll promise you that. Rafael Vera, who drives for Uber in LA, commented, "I was always curious as to how an electric vehicle could handle the mileage you put on your car when doing Uber. It handles the mileage really well. I want to buy a Tesla Model S eventually, and this was a perfect opportunity to see how they drive." The program for Uber drivers to rent Tesla vehicles through Hertz is now available in the following cities: Atlanta, Austin, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cleveland, Connecticut, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Houston, Jacksonville, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Miami, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Nashville, New Jersey, New Orleans, New York City, suburbs specifically, Orlando, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Portland, Sacramento, San Antonio, San Diego, San Francisco, Seattle, St. Louis, Tampa Bay, and Washington, D.C. So, you lucky lads and lasses might be able to take advantage of this program too. I would just say go buy one. You know, go buy the cheapest model. Buy it used, and I mean the savings are gonna be there. The savings will make sense. There's no doubt about that. If you want to remove your carbon footprint, I'm not so convinced it really does that as much as they like to say, but still, I guess in some way, shape, or form, it's contributing a little bit. Anyways, interesting video there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Solo, linked in the description below. Start making some real money while you're out there, and I will talk to you guys soon.